Hello YouTube. I just wanted to make a little update. A couple of weeks ago, somebody gave this puppy to me for free. So here it is. His name is Morpheus. Like the ancient Greek god of dreams, or also in the Matrix, Morpheus. He's Morpheus. Um, I think he's a schnauzer, but I'm not really sure. Do you know the dog from that movie where the two dogs are eating spaghetti and they kiss? Well, this is the dog, a schnauzer. So I got a German dog, apparently. So yeah, I got a dog. I also wanted to, how the other day I was talking about the master, my imaginary friend and mentor. A couple of days after that, I remembered that I had an imaginary girlfriend back in the day when I was about 15. She was Heather, Heather Mason, from Silent Hill 3. She was my imaginary girlfriend when I was about 15 years old. Yeah, she was my girlfriend, my companion, whatever you want to call it. Um, I don't know, again, like the master, I don't know when she came or when she left. They just come whenever I need them, and when I don't need them anymore, they leave. And even before that, before Heather, I had another friend. She was Laura Lidu, because she was from some anime that I really don't remember the name. She was like a fox girl kind of thing. Uh, Again, she just came and left as she pleased. I don't really got any control over that, over my mind creating imaginary people, friends, companions for company, basically, because I'm lonely. My mind sometimes make these imaginary uh, friends to make me company. So yeah, I also remember I had a really specific moment when I was really thinking about ending my existence. I remember over there at the room crying with Heather because I was really sure that I wanted to end my life. So we were crying like we're never going to see each other again. That sort of stuff. It's a bit pathetic. It's a bit pathetic, but what can I do? I don't got company. Anyways, so yeah, I've had 3 imaginary friends so far. The master is still here. Um, The master is still here. I don't think he's going anywhere so far. But yeah, I just wanted to make that little update of the dog. And yeah, I see you around. I am still alive. Okay.